Welcome to Solid. In today's Getting Started tutorial, we'll guide you through the Cloud Linux VPS Enduser Panel. You can access the Enduser Panel directly using the login details provided in your welcome email or through the client area. On the homepage, click the red Client Area button. When prompted, enter the email and password you used during sign-up to log in. Once you're logged into the Client Area homepage, you can access your Cloud VPS by either clicking on the service icon, selecting the specific service, or clicking on View Details. To access the Enduser Panel, click on the Enduser Panel link in the top left box. In the top right corner, you'll find your profile, settings, API credentials, logout options, as well as the ability to toggle between dark and light themes. Looking at the left menu, you'll find a list of all your VPS, the task log, the SSH keys section to manage or add your SSH keys, the custom ISO section where you can mount a custom ISO to your server, the Reverse DNS section to set your IP's Reverse DNS, and finally, the Firewall section, where you can create firewall rules if needed. Back in the List VPS menu, you'll find detailed server information as well as your plan information. In the server status, you'll find the power and VNC controls for managing your server state and accessing the console. To manage this VPS, click on the action gear to begin. You will find the power and console controls again at the top of the page. You'll also find all your server and network information here, which we covered earlier in the Client Area panel. In the Graphs tab, you'll find detailed information about your bandwidth and speed usage displayed in graphical format for easy tracking. You will also find the System Statistics tab, which displays your server's resource information, including CPU, RAM, and disk usage, in a graphical format for easy tracking. Scrolling up to the Settings tab, you'll find options to change your server's hostname, update your password, and adjust server configurations. You can also manage or add your SSH keys, access VNC details, and set your VNC password. In the Install tab, you'll find all available Linux distribution versions to choose from for an OS reload. There's also an area where you can enter your new OS reinstallation password. If you need to install a control panel, you can do so from the Control Panel tab. Simply choose the panel you need and follow the prompt that pops up to proceed with the installation. If you have any recipes, you can find them under the Recipes tab. Next, in the Applications tab, you can manage all your installed applications should you need to make any adjustments. Next, you can track all your tags and logs from here as well. You can also activate the firewall plan you created earlier from this section, as well as manage your IPv4 and IPv6 settings here. If needed, Rescue Mode is also available for troubleshooting and recovery. Next, you'll find the Backup section, where you can back up and restore your server. The available backup options depend on the plan you're using. You can also purchase a backup plan as an add-on if you need additional backup options. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the Enduser Panel Getting Started guide. Thank you and see you in the next video tutorial.